Hello guys, welcome to my channel. God bless you and thanks for always checking on us. In today's video, I want to show you how to convert your normal toilet soap to an effective skin lightening and skin cleansing soap. So right here, I cut the soap into pieces and poured in hot water and left it for some hours to allow it to dissolve. So when it's completely dissolved, you have a paste form like this. Then you add your coconut oil to it and stir. So after that, you can add your vitamin E, and also you now move on to make your other ingredients. You stir it very well. Stir it very well. Then you add your fragrance. If that one is optional, if you like, you can add your fragrance. Then you stir. Stirring very well because we are not using machine, it's handmade. So you have to make sure that you stir it very, very well. Then you grate your carrots. Yes, this is the grated carrot. Now you are going to be squeezing out the juice from this carrot. That's what we need. So you stir again. If you notice, I have a double bowl there. The bowl underneath has hot water to keep it warm. Now I apply this lemon juice to this bathing soap. This lemon juice helps to exfoliate the old dead cells from the skin. So you stir again very, very well. Lemon does a lot of work on the skin. It has to be minimal anyway and not too much. So you keep on stirring. The hot water under it will not allow it to solidify. So now I juice out the carrot. Squeeze the juice of the carrot. When you are making, look for very fresh carrot, because I noticed that this one I use is a bit dry. So look for fresh carrot and then extract as much carrot juice as possible. You know, they are all natural ingredients, so there is nothing like it is too much. It can only make you look clean and your skin will be glowing, shining, and even when you use this soap and you don't rub cream, nobody is going to notice it because carrot is very rich in nourishing the cells of the skin, removing the old cells and making new ones look fresh and glowy. So we have added our carrot juice to it, then you stir it very well. Now this is pawpaw, very ripe one. You can blend. You can actually blend your pawpaw and then you add to the soap mixture. But here I'm grating. Just grate it and then you add it to the soap mixture. So that's what I'm doing here. If you can blend, it's faster and you have a smoother, consistency, if you are blending. So this is what I did. Extracted the pawpaw juice also into the soap mixture. Now, papaya is known for lightening. It's known for skin lightening. Now, this soap is not to bleach your skin, but to lighten you up a bit. So you mix again. Now, each time you leave the soap mixture, you discover that it's already solidifying and making some lumps. So you have to constantly stir. So stir it again very well. So right here now, you have your vitamin E inside, you have your coconut oil, you have papaya, and you have carrot. Then you begin to pour into the mold. You can use any mold of your choice. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it thumbs up. And please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to be a member of this family. God bless you and thank you. So you will leave it after filling all the container. Like I said, you can choose the mold you like. Actually, this is just what I had available at the moment. But you can choose your soap mold that will give you the shape that you like. So you fill it in and then you leave it to solidify. It's going to take some time. So This one I'm leaving it overnight. So you leave it overnight and allow it to solidify. Now there are two ways you can use this soap. You can use it from this container just like some people use the organic soap, or you can pull it out of the container and use it like your bar soap. So that is it for today. God bless you and thank you for always coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and love this video. Drop your comment. Bye. Thank you. Bye.